guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how I make my chocolate covered strawberries. So for this you are going to be needing a glass bowl and a pan, and you want to make sure that bowl sits on top of the pan without touching the bottom, because we're going to add some water to the bottom, and you want to make sure that water does not touch the bowl either. And you're going to be needing a sandwich bag, and you will also need parchment paper, and you're going to be needing white chocolate and milk chocolates. I'm using chocolate chips, but if you have the bars you can use that as well, or if you want to use dark chocolate you can do that as well. And I have some toothpick, and of course I have some beautiful strawberries that I will be using. Please check that description box where I will list everything I use in this video. So let's get cooking, guys. Alright guys, so to get started you want to make sure your strawberries are washed and that they are super dry. So I went ahead and wipe them down with some paper towel, and then just lay a piece of paper towel in a bowl and let them air dry a little more. So first you want to go ahead and cut the stems just like this. We are going to try to make a heart shape chocolate covered strawberry, because Valentine's Day is coming up, y'all. So you guys know I had to come and bring you guys something for your honeys. So you want to grab your toothpick and insert it and try to connect the two strawberries together just like this, and they will look like a little heart once we dip them in. So again, I'm going to show you another. Cut out the stems and then just cut it in half, and then take the toothpick and just put it in. And also guys, don't forget to check out my other recipes that I do have in this channel to make your sweetheart happy on Valentine's Day. I have steak videos and stuffed chicken breast and asparagus and many other things that you can make a really super romantic dinner for your special loved one. I'm actually excited. I love making my husband little romantic dinners because then he spoils me. So again, I'm doing the same thing, and if you don't want to keep making hearts, you can definitely leave it whole, and then I will show you what I do to it. If you want to add nuts, you can add nuts, but I'm not adding any nuts. So I'm going to continue to do this, and then I'll come back and show you guys how I melt my chocolates. Okay, I went ahead and added 2 cups of water to that pot, and I have my stove set to medium high. As you can see, I have the water in the pot, but it is not touching the bottom of my bowl. So just make sure it's not touching. And now I'm gonna go ahead and pour in my chocolate, my white chocolate. I'm actually gonna use the whole bag. And then if you want, you can add some butter to this, but I'm not, because some people like it to be nice and glossy, but I'm not adding any butter. And now you want to keep stirring this until your chocolate chips are nicely melted smoothly. So the steam of the water is going to heat your bowl, of course, and then melt your chocolate. So that should take a couple minutes. So I will be back once it's all melted. Okay, now we are ready to put everything together. So to get started, I want to take a little bit of the white chocolate, and I want to take my sandwich bag and spoon a couple teaspoons in that bag, just to make a nice zebra line or whatever they call it on my chocolate covered strawberries, just like this. And then you want to go ahead and squeeze as much down as you can, and we're going to make a little tiny incision just like this, the smallest. You can see that, just like that. And then you want to set that to the side. And now I want to start with the chocolate first. So I have a pizza pan here, nothing fancy, you can use anything you have on hand. And I went ahead and taped my parchment paper on the back. And then I'm going to lay my strawberries on this, and then so I can put it in the fridge so it can dry and then get hard, so it can harden. So you want to go ahead and take your strawberries and cover as much of it with the chocolate as you can. I should have used a spoon, of course, clean hands. I grab the toothpick just like this, remove some of the extra just like that, and then I'm going to go ahead and place it right on top of this here. And if you are doing whole strawberries, leave the stems and just basically roll it right in the chocolate, just like this. You see that? I had to make this video, guys, because a lot of you been telling me how you've been feeding your man Haitian food, and I don't want to not make a video for the Valentine's Day, so you guys' husbands or boyfriend or wife don't come say, Lamise, you've been teaching us how to make all this food, but you couldn't tell us how to make chocolate covered strawberries. So here it is, guys. So the same thing with the white chocolate, and I'm leaving the one with the stem, the whole chocolate, and then just place it right there. And with this, I got smart, grab a spoon, and I'm going to just drizzle the white chocolate with the spoon, cover it up completely, just like that. If you haven't, please go follow me on Instagram, and also go like my Facebook page, come snap with me on Snapchat. And also don't forget to go subscribe to my other channel. I have a channel that I only speak Creole. I make the same recipes but only speak Creole. So if you haven't, please go check out that channel as well. And let me know, leave me a comment down below what you guys are planning on doing for Valentine's Day. Even if y'all don't have a boyfriend or girlfriend or husband and a wife or husband, still make this recipe for yourself. You have to treat yourself regardless of who you have in your life. You come first. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and continue doing the rest, and then I'll come back and show you guys what I do next. But once I'm done, I will set this in the fridge for a good 15 to 20 minutes. Then I'll come back and show you guys. All right, guys, my covered chocolate strawberries been in my fridge for about 15 minutes. And I went ahead and grabbed that bag of chocolate. Now I'm going to put some of the chocolate on top of the white chocolate itself. So remember, I did a little cut. Now you just wanna go ahead and squeeze and just design it however you like. I just like to do little lines like this, nothing fancy, nothing crazy. Just use your own imagination. You can write your husband or boyfriend or girlfriend's name on there if you want. And I'm going to do the same thing with the white chocolates. And you guys know these can be a little bit expensive at the store, but they are just so easy to make right from your home. Of course, remember to take that toothpick out when you are going to eat it. So once I do this, I'm going to put it back in the fridge again. And I did one half chocolate and half dark chocolates or chocolate and half white chocolate. So I'm going to decorate the side with a little, I'm going to attempt to do a heart. Okay, that was no heart, but I tried. So again, I'm going to take that chocolate and go over the white chocolates. But other than that, guys, this will do it for this video. Please do give this little recipe a try. This will be a nice dessert, easy and inexpensive dessert to have right at the comfort of your own home. And let me know if you guys try any of my recipes over the Valentine's Day coming up. But other than that, guys, as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, comment, like, and share. And as always, I love you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.